Sometimes you open a PDF and notice that a page is missing. Maybe you need an extra page in the middle or you want to add something at the end. In this video, I'll show you how to insert different types of pages into a PDF in a simple way. There are many tools available, but for safety, security and privacy, we'll use an offline tool called Systweak PDF Editor. You can download and install it from the link given in the description. Let us begin. Open your PDF in Systweak PDF Editor and go to the page menu at the top. Here, click on the Insert option. You'll see these options: Duplicate page, Blank page, and From another PDF. Let us go through them one by one. First, inserting a duplicate page. Select the page or pages you want to copy. Now click Insert and choose Duplicate page. A small window will appear where you can enter the page number where the duplicate page should be placed. Choose whether you want to add it before that page or after it. Click OK and your copied page will be added. Next, to insert a blank page, click Insert and select Blank page. Choose the location where you want to add the new blank page. You can add it at the beginning, at the end, or enter a specific page number. Again, pick before or after and click OK. A clean blank page will be added to your PDF. Now, let's see how to insert pages from another PDF file. Click on Insert and choose From PDF. Browse and select the PDF file you want to take pages from. Then click Open. Choose whether you want all pages or only a specific range. Next, decide where to insert these pages in your main PDF. Pick before or after and click OK. The selected pages will instantly appear in your document. Once you finish inserting pages, do not forget to save your PDF. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment your questions and share this video with others.